It's a coastal town and it sure damn looks like it. Welcome back to the Phlog. We're currently in Essaouira on the west coast of Morocco, and I'm going to be shooting today on the Panasonic GH5. I'm shooting on the GH5 today because it's something I very rarely do and I want to get better at it. And what better place to do it than here? The architecture is just unreal, and this is how I'm going to try and capture it. I'll be starting off in the small streets around our Airbnb and then heading down to the coast around sunset. So let's get cracking with this roof shot. What's so unique about these rooftops is that there aren't any roofs, and the amount of solar dishes is quite incredible. I've never seen anything like this, so I'm going to try and put that into my photo. So currently outside of the Medina, so outside of the central part of where we're staying. And, the architecture here is just beautiful. It's mainly just blues and whites, which makes all the shots look so simple, but makes all the blues stand out. And so currently I'm looking at a building which has just a hint of green inside one of the window frames. It's just so simple. The shadows are perfect right now. And that is a wrap. We've said that a couple times on this trip throughout these vlogs, but it's true. I had such a good time shooting this. I said to Jacob a couple times that this is probably my favorite vlog I've shot thus far. Probably about 90% of the shots I took had some kind of blue in it, which I really love because that just showcases what Essaouira is all about. So there was this hotel just outside the Medina. I found it really captivating straight away as soon as I saw it because of the spherical windows and the triangular shapes running out towards a beam. I also managed to shoot a couple of portraits, which I was really stoked with. It's something that although I wasn't setting out to shoot portraits, I always want to try and continue stepping out of my comfort zone. The portrait I shot of the old man standing outside of a carpentry warehouse, the outside of it was blue, and immediately I saw him walking down the street and he was wearing this blue gown and it looked so good. Hey buddy, do you mind if I take a photo? And he gladly said yes. So got a couple shots of him. All in all, I just had an absolute belter of a time shooting this vlog. So Thanks so much for watching, guys. We both really appreciate all the love and support you guys are giving us lately. It's Coke, it's Coke. Oh, it's been a bloody good time.
Give us a, how about you stand up there and I'll get a slow-mo of you cheering with that sun in the back.